What if one of cancer's favorite fuels was something your body actually needs to survive? Iron is essential for life. It helps carry oxygen, supports energy production, and keeps our cells functioning. But in the world of cancer biology, iron has a darker side. Cancer cells are hungry for iron. In fact, many tumors increase the number of transferrin receptors on their surface, tiny molecular hooks that pull iron into the cell. The more iron they capture, the faster they can grow and divide. This process is part of a rapidly expanding research field known as iron metabolism in cancer. One major source of iron in the human diet is red meat. Red meat contains what's called heme iron, a form of iron that the body absorbs very efficiently. While that may sound beneficial, it also means more iron becomes available inside the body. Studies suggest that high intake of heme iron can contribute to oxidative stress. This happens when iron reacts with oxygen to produce free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage DNA and potentially lead to mutations. Another concern is that heme iron can promote the formation of N-nitroso compounds, which are known carcinogens linked to certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. But iron's influence doesn't stop there. Cancer cells often store excess iron inside a protein called ferritin. This storage system acts like a shield, helping tumors protect themselves from oxidative damage and survive stressful conditions, including some cancer treatments. Researchers have also found that iron can help tumors build new blood vessels through a process called angiogenesis. These new vessels deliver oxygen and nutrients, allowing tumors to expand and spread. Even the gut microbiome may be affected. High levels of heme iron from red meat can feed certain harmful bacteria in the gut. This imbalance can lead to inflammatory byproducts such as TMAO, which researchers are investigating for potential links to cancer progression and metabolic disease. Because the body has limited ways to eliminate excess iron, high intake over long periods can lead to iron accumulation in tissues. That's why some scientists are exploring whether carefully managing iron levels could support cancer therapy. One emerging area of research involves iron chelation, where medications bind to excess iron and remove it from circulation. Early studies suggest this strategy might slow tumor growth by limiting the iron cancer cells depend on. Another fascinating concept is ferroptosis, a form of cell death triggered by iron-driven oxidative damage. Researchers are investigating ways to push cancer cells toward ferroptosis while protecting healthy cells. Diet may also play a role in maintaining balanced iron levels. Plant-focused diets tend to reduce total iron stores, partly because plant iron, called non-heme iron, is absorbed less efficiently. Some dietary approaches also emphasize foods naturally low in iron, such as zucchini, cucumber, and cauliflower. Healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and coconut contain no iron and can provide energy without increasing iron intake. Even beverages may help. Certain herbal teas like chamomile or dandelion root contain compounds that can mildly reduce iron absorption. However, it's important to note that iron is still essential for human health. Extremely low iron levels can cause anemia, fatigue, and impaired immune function. That's why any major dietary changes, especially for people undergoing cancer treatment, should always be discussed with medical professionals. What scientists are learning is that cancer metabolism is deeply connected to the nutrients in our bodies. Iron, a mineral vital for life, may also shape the environment in which cancer grows. And as research continues, understanding how nutrients interact with cancer biology could open new doors for prevention, treatment, and personalized nutrition.